Hello people, how you doing? What we're going to be doing today is a little project on a scroll saw again. A buddy of mine had asked me, can I make him a coin tray and a tray to put his keys in near his front door. He's big into music and guitars, so the design I'm going to do is obviously a guitar shape. So I've got myself some pine. I've already milled this to the size where I need it. So I've got a thick piece and I've got a thinner piece for the base of it, and once it's cut out, them two pieces are going to be laminated together and I'm going to route the edges off. But unaware that I'm making this, I'm actually going to make him a smaller one as well, but this is going to be solid oak. I'm going to make him this one with putting his guitar picks in, or plucks or whatever you call them. I don't know the proper term for them, but them little things you strum your chords with. So stay with me and let's get on with it. Right then, as you see, I've just cut them out. All I've done to mark me inner bit what I'm going to cut out, I've just got my compass, I set it to the distance what I want, and I've just gone round and followed the edge around the board, which has given me a border. So I'm going to drill a hole in this now, and I'm going to cut it out, and then you're going to be left with the outline of this, and then I'm going to put some glue on it and stick it onto that board and then cut around that. Right, so I've got the pattern cut out there now. All I'm going to do, this has already been pre-sanded and everything, is that's going to get glued onto there, like so, and then I'm going to cut around it and then give it all a good sanding down. I could use a pattern bit for attaching it to my router and going round the outside pattern, but I just don't have one, so I'm going to have to do it the hard way and cut round it with the scroll saw and then sand it all down. And that's the little oak one, and the same is going to happen to that. Just going to glue it to that and then give it all a good sanding down. But it's that cold here today, I can't actually glue it in the shed, so I'm going to take it in the house, and by the magic of YouTube, the next time you see it, it'll all be glued together. Right, as you can see there, I've glued them to the back of boards. I'm just going to follow around the pattern now on the scroll saw and cut them out, and then I'm going to do a bit of sanding on them. Right, as you can see there, we've all had a good sanding down. Both come out really nice. I think the oak one, I'm going to put an oil finish on it, and the pine one, I think I'm going to put some dark wax on it. But what I'm going to do first, I'm going to wipe them down with some methylated spirits, get all traces of dust off them, and then we're going to put a coat of finish on them, and then job will be finished. Right then, that little project's finished now. One or two little things I'm not too happy about. I wish I did have a bobbin sander. It would make things a lot better for getting sanding on them inside curves. And the one I put the wax on, to me, I'm not really too happy with it, but I've showed it to my buddy who wants it, and he says he's happy with it, so if he's happy then who can complain. But I really like the little wax one, the small one. But I'll put the Danish oil on. That turned out really nice. It's got a beautiful grain. Believe it or not, that's 3 pieces of floorboards, oak flooring, what's all put together. Got a lovely grain in it. But yeah, that turned out really nice and smooth. I think what I'll do for him as well is just put a coat of clear wax over that as well to make it nicer. But there's the one I did in the brown wax. I'm going to say it's an absolute pain in the arse trying to get this wax off, but this pine's got a nice grain in it as well. But there you go. So, a couple of hours of a project. Longest time's waiting for the glue to go off. But if you like this project, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to keep seeing the scroll saw projects, leave me a comment in the section down below. I am enjoying doing the scroll sawing at the minute. I did fall out of love a bit with scroll sawing, but I seem to be getting back into doing a bit more on a scroll saw. So yeah, if you like seeing the scroll sawing stuff, leave me a comment saying like scroll sawing please or whatever, and we'll try and do a few more scroll saw projects before I start getting bored of it. But I have got something else planned for another video. This is for my other hobby what I've got, which is the remote control cars. I need to make some sort of a work stand for putting that on what can be worked on, like when you're sitting down at chest height, something like that. I did make one which was a desktop one where you can put it on top of a desk and put the cars on it, but I need to make something a little bit taller. But yeah, if you like the project, please give me a thumbs up. Like, subscribe and share to my channel if you've not already subscribed. Click the bell icon in the corner and that'll alert you to the next time I put a video up. And I'll leave all the links to my social media, Patreon, Etsy store, everything's down in the bottom corner. And we'll see you again soon. Thanks for joining me. Have a good week.